Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video today we will see 10 useful tips and tricks for WhatsApp application. Now some of you might be already familiar with the tips, but anyway, let us start the video. If someone is bothering you by sending messages, then you can block them in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three dotted icons, tap on settings, tap on accounts, privacy, then select blocked contacts. Now tap on this icon here, and from here you can select the contact to whom you want to block. So in this way you can block a contact who is bothering you in WhatsApp application, and they won't be able to send you a message or call you. You can lock your WhatsApp application with the help of your fingerprint or your Face ID depending on the type of your device. For me, I have Note 8 and I can lock it with the fingerprint ID. For that one, open WhatsApp, tap on these three dotted icons, then tap on settings, select account, privacy, then select fingerprint lock. Now to use the fingerprint lock, you should have already registered fingerprint in your Android device. If not, register the fingerprint at first, then select unlock with fingerprint. Now you have to apply fingerprint. Now you have the option to lock the WhatsApp application either immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes when you close the application. Also, you can either enable to show the notification of WhatsApp message in the notification center or disable for privacy. This is the option show content in notification. WhatsApp has released dark mode for WhatsApp for both Apple and Android devices. For this one to work, you should have the newer version of operating system in your device. For Android, you should have at least Android 9, and for iOS, I believe you should have iOS 14 version. For Android, open WhatsApp, tap on the three dotted icons, select settings, select chat, then select theme, select dark, and then OK. So now the dark mode is activated in WhatsApp. If you don't want WhatsApp to save photos or videos automatically to the photo gallery so that your photo gallery won't clutter, then you can do it. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three dotted icons, select settings, select data and storage usage. Now under media auto download, select when using mobile data, and then you should remove all the tick mark from the checkbox and then select OK. Select when connected on Wi-Fi and remove all the tick mark from the checkbox, select OK. Also select when roaming and similarly remove all the tick mark from the checkboxes and then select OK. Now the photos and videos won't automatically save to the photo gallery in your Android device. If you have a lot of contact in WhatsApp chat, then you can pin the chat with a contact on the top so that it always remains on the top, and it will be easy for you to find the contact. Generally the one with whom you chat at last, it will move to the top. If you want to pin the contact, then tap and hold the contact and then select this pin icon. Now the chat will move to the top. So with whoever you chat, this contact which is pinned will always remain on the top. You can change the wallpaper for the chat in WhatsApp application. Open WhatsApp, tap on these three dotted icons, select settings, chats, wallpaper. You can either select photo from the gallery or you can select solid color. For me, I will select solid color. Select a color and then set. Now you have changed the wallpaper for the chat. If I go back and if I select any contact, you can see the wallpaper is changed. If you are a part of a WhatsApp group, but if you don't want to be notified about the chat because you are on vacation, then you can do it. For that one, open WhatsApp, tap on the group, select the three dotted icons, select mute notification. Now you can mute the notification for 8 hours, for 1 week, or for whenever which is suitable for you, and then select OK. Now you won't receive any sound for the notification in WhatsApp group. You can change the privacy settings in your WhatsApp so that you can make your WhatsApp profile private. You can either hide your profile, you can hide the status, or you can hide the online status in WhatsApp application. So for that one, after you open WhatsApp, tap on these three dotted icons, select settings, select account, select privacy. Now you have the option here, last seen. Select it, and from here you have the option to hide your online status from everyone, or you can show your online status only to my contact, or if you don't want to show your online status, then you can select nobody. Once you do it, then only the contact to whom you allow can see when you were online or when you are online. If you select nobody, then no one will be able to know when you were last online or when you will be online. But when you select nobody, you cannot see other people online status also. Also, if you want, you can hide the profile photo. Go to profile photo. You can show your profile photo to everybody, or if you want, you can only show your profile photo to the contact which you have in your WhatsApp application. Or if you don't want to show your profile photo to anyone, you can select nobody. Also, if you have selected status like busy or available in WhatsApp application, but if you don't want to show the status, then you can select about. And if you want to show the status, you can to everyone, you can select everyone. If you want to show the status only to your contact, you will select my contact. Or if you don't want to show status to anyone, you can select nobody. So this way you can make your WhatsApp profile private. In a long conversation in a group, if you have a certain message which is very important, and if you want to find it easily later on, then you can star the message, or you can pin the message so that you can find it easily. So let me open this WhatsApp chat, and suppose if you want to star this message, tap and hold and then select star. Now later on, if you want to find it easily, what you do, tap on these three dotted icons, go to starred message, and you can find the message which you had starred or which you had pinned. So it will be easier for you to find the messages. Now in a WhatsApp group where you have many members, if you want to specify a particular person, then what you can do is you can go to this WhatsApp chat, and then you can go to this symbol icon and select @ You will see all the members, and if you want to specify any member, you can select it, and then you can send the message to the particular person. So these are the 10 useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. So click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.